Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix inverted camera on Zoom. So guys, first things first is of course, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Zoom application into your computer, Zoom workspace. And now, once you are on here, you could just simply go for the gear icon on the bottom left side of the screen to fix the issue. Now, over here, guys, you will have an option for the second one, video and effects. So go ahead and select this one. And now over here, guys, as you can see, make sure you have the right camera. And now from here, as you can see, you will have this option, mirror my video preview. So pretty much if you have errors on your camera, you just simply uncheck this one, and mostly this can fix your issue. And pretty much if we scroll down below, guys, we will have other options like appearance, virtual backgrounds, avatar, and the other options that you might want to consider. So pretty much this is the settings that you need to change the mirror error. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.